In this video, I'll show you how to pay out annual leave in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And from here, you want to click on the fifth option, which is payroll. Now, under payroll, you want to head over to employee management. And down below, you want to click on the second option, which is leave. So, on the leave section, we have here our current and upcoming leaves, and one of them is James. Now, James will have an annual leave and it is a day off as the description. So, what you want to do is simply hover on an employee, and on the right hand side, click on the three dots for more actions, and at the bottom, click on edit. Now, once you click on edit, in here it will have the start date as well as the end date. Now, in here we have the current leave balance. And on the current leave balance, James currently has 88 hours of leave left for this year. So, what you can do is on the pay period, you can set a specific hour in which they can get paid. So, on the start day as well as the end day, they will have a day off for the whole day. So, for this work, they currently have 8 hours per day, so you can just simply add the hours, let's say 8 hours, that they will get paid. And once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on save. Now, once you click on save, it will automatically be added to the employee name and on the right hand side, the exact hours in which they want to cash out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.